Cooking soul.
It's your girl Jules here. Today we're gonna do like the 10-minute thing that Vogue has been doing, because I've been watching those a lot and I really like them, so we're gonna do it. And if you haven't checked out my last Vogue parody, you can double check it over here somewhere, because we did the face routine parody. A lot of you liked it, so we're gonna continue to do it. And before we even start, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Well, like when you finish watching this video. If you like it, it's your preference. What you like, you know, no pressure. But if you do want to support, subscribe, because I know you're gonna come back to my channel, and you just subscribe. Literally, subscribe. But yeah, guys, let's get started with this little 10-minute thing. So literally for my 10-minute thing, I literally just grab my little benefit brow, and I don't do anything too drastic like I do when I do my full look. I literally just go on the bottom and underline it and then just brush it. Not that much of a deal, but I'll show you slowly how I do it. By the way, I'm blind, so I'm gonna go get a mirror. So yeah, like literally I'm just gonna do that, brush it a little bit, and like I said, just brush it a little bit up so it could look like it's something not too drastic, like I just want it to be natural. And, you know, flare it up, because this is like if I'm on like a rush type of thing and I really don't have time. I always like doing my eyebrows first, because I can erase without, you know, my foundation being ruined. So that's what I like to do. And I did do my primer. If you just got to, but you guys did not see that, so because yeah, I already know. I mostly just, when I do like the fast thing, I literally just do my face routine, which is kind of like a base primer for me. So I literally just do that, and then I will grab, well, what I technically do is I also do this, put it in the bottom to like conceal it and give it that arch. And then I do use my NYX right here. I dropped that. If I can get it, it's my NYX mascara brow gel thing. It's in the color, like the same color as the pencil. Go over it and that's it. So I'll be back, because it takes me a little bit to do it on camera. Once I'm right here, it literally takes me 5 minutes. So give me a second. So did the eyebrows, and now I'm just gonna use my Born This Way concealer. I am in golden beige. I like a little gold. And before I do my, you know, foundation, well, not even foundation, I don't even do foundation. I literally just do a tinted moisturizer, which I love using the Marc Jacobs one. I've been in love with it since this came out. I love using this first, because the Beauty Blender is amazing and it doesn't look like I have cake on. So I love doing that. Like, I do love a natural look, but I do want to look presentable, because my skin is like a little bit sensitive lately. Like literally it has been sensitive. I don't know why, but it has been sensitive, and I don't know, like I said, I don't know why. So after that, I will go in with my Marc Jacobs, which I have right here. and I am in the medium wide 360. I like to shake it up because it does have SPF, which is good for my skin, so I don't have to put SPF. If your foundation or your tinted moisturizer, well, mostly all of tinted moisturizer has SPF, but if it doesn't, a good one that has SPF, I don't recommend not buying the ones that make your skin look white, because just know it will like be on your foundation and you can actually like, you'll actually see it, like a transfer of it when you take pictures, so be careful with that. But I think the store-bought one, I don't remember the name. If I do remember, I will put it in the description below for you guys to check it out. But yeah, the same thing with everything else. This has SPF. I just do like a little drop, put it on my face, and then I beauty blend it and shit. I used to do my fingers, but let's not be disgusting and use this. So yeah, I like literally just dab it on my skin, so it look a little bit natural, not too cakey, because I do hate when I'm going fast that it turns cakey. And I do pass it through my head. See, like it, you still can see my redness of my skin. You really don't see that much like undercolor thing. You still see the texture and the thin on my skin, so which is great. You still see the redness because, like I said, I love it to be as natural as I possibly can, unless I'm going out and I'm like wanting to heavy duty. And the thing is, this tinted moisturizer is really good to be built. It's buildable, so if you want, you know, you can build it up. Like, I bet since this came out, like, I've been dying, restocking and everything with this, so I would recommend it. So it looks flawless on camera, and it looks like it's still my skin. Like I said, I don't do everything like I do. This is the first time you guys are gonna see it. My 10-minute thing that I'm just like, and I'm going. So the next thing I do is I do grab my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and my Morphe brush, and I just use shadow play to give a little bit more bronze to my face, because I do love a good bronzer. See, automatically. This is like the first, let me give you a tip. This is like the first palette I ever bought for like makeup stuff, because I used to be against makeup. I used to be like, oh no, like who wears makeup? Like, it's bad for your skin, which I do still agree it is bad for your skin. But we, as you know, girls want to look good at all times. And there's nothing wrong with that. Like, it is really nothing wrong with that. It's just, you know, don't use too much. I'm like, unless I'm doing like a video for you guys, or I am going to like an event, or I'm, like I said, video, family event, influencer event or something, I'll use makeup. But other than that, if I'm home editing, working from home and everything, going to my night job and stuff, I will literally just stay and not do no makeup. I will literally do my own face routine and go about my day. But I don't do this unless I'm like having a meeting or something, or I'm hanging out with my friends and I'm just like, I gotta look cute because we're taking pictures. So that's about it. I still do the nose thing, and I literally, for brush, I use the Glossier. This one is Dusk, and I just got like a dot. Oh shit, literally a dot here, dot there. Well, technically let's put 2 dots. And we're gonna go with that. And then with my finger, I literally just dot it here with my finger, pat it, and I love this color. I just pat it on my nose, and I use the brush if I see like it's too much, but I use my fingers. Just pat it along, making it like a sun kiss one, and then I just grab my brush, and then I just go with my brush and like brush it out, because I do want that sun kiss look. And after that I'll grab my Morphe mist, literally spray it all over my face, then spray it on my little brush, because I do enjoy a wet brush. Yep, so I'm gonna grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills with my wet brush, my wet skin, and I'm just gonna, you know, a little bit dab, give a little bit shine, cause you know, a little bit shine, glow and everything, and then just put it on my nose and right here, a little bit on my, cause I want to be shiny, just a little bit. And I don't like wearing mascara too much, and then since I don't have no eyeshadow on, I literally just put this like that, so I can have a little bit of a little glow and be a little bit, you know, I like being a glazed donut, so don't judge me. And a little bit on my chin and right here, or whatever I have on my brush, and I'm gonna spray it again, literally with my Morphe mist spray, so I can set it. And then I just literally go and put my my what you call it, where is my mascara? Give me a second, I need to find my mascara. So I'm gonna grab my Sephora Voluminous freaking mascara, which I am in love with. Like, this was only $12, but Sephora collection be having lit at shit. So I literally just go and put a mascara on. I don't do eyelashes, never did. I don't think I will, because I love my eyelashes. They're pretty enough for me, and that's it. So let me stop talking and let me do this, you know. Something like that. For lips, I don't like to do anything like drastic to my lips, so I just wear the Fenty Beauty gloss in Fenty Glow. I am gonna do a review on the brand new ones that she released, but this one is my ultimate favorite. And yeah, that is it. I literally take this with me, don't do anything else. And yeah, so this is like literally my 15-minute thing. Now for my hair, what I do, I need to sneeze, give me 1 second. So I take this off, and since my hair is a little bit, you know, not done yet completely, and it's still a little bit dirty because I am gonna wash my hair. And when that happens, I literally just brush it behind my ear, just like this. I used to use gel. The thing is, I used to use a lot of like mousse gel because that's what I love to use. Now I just use like nice organic products or just coconut oil. So what I do is I grab my little scrunchie, and in the back, what I do is I twist it and have like a low bun moment. I just do like this, and then if it goes away, and yeah, this is what I do for if I have like to go on an errand or when I go out with my friends. Literally a low bun moment is amazing for you guys. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this, guys, and I hope you can, you know, appreciate this look right here, and I see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Everything will be in the description below. Don't forget to go follow Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.